Mastering the Art of Voice and Diction, a Bollywood Actor's Guide. In the dazzling world of Bollywood, an actor's voice is as pivotal as their screen presence. A well-trained voice can captivate audiences, convey emotions deeply, and breathe life into a character. Here's a comprehensive guide on why voice and diction training is indispensable for Bollywood actors, coupled with practical tips and exercises. The importance of voice training. A clear and compelling voice is an actor's most powerful tool. Voice training is essential for several reasons. Enhanced clarity. A well-trained voice ensures that every word is understood, making dialogue delivery more effective. Emotional depth. A versatile voice can express a wide range of emotions, adding depth to your character. Consistency. Proper training helps maintain vocal strength and consistency, crucial for long shooting schedules. Exercises for better diction. Improving diction is all about clarity and articulation. Here are some exercises to get you started. Tongue twisters. Practicing tongue twisters can significantly improve your articulation. Phrases like, "She sells seashells by the seashore," challenge your pronunciation skills. Vocal warm-ups. Start with gentle hums and gradually move to scales. This warms up your vocal cords and enhances flexibility. Reading aloud. Regularly read scripts or books aloud, focusing on pronouncing each word clearly. This builds muscle memory for better diction. Accent and dialect work. Bollywood actors often need to adopt different accents and dialects for various roles. Mastering this skill can increase versatility. Being able to switch between accents makes an actor more adaptable to diverse roles. Enhance authenticity. Accurate accents add authenticity to your character, making your performance more believable. Reading aloud. Regularly read scripts or books aloud, focusing on pronouncing each word clearly. This builds muscle memory for better diction. Voice care tips. Maintaining a healthy voice is crucial for sustained performance. Here are some essential voice care tips. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your vocal cords hydrated. Avoid strain. Don't shout or whisper excessively, both can strain your voice. Vocal hygiene. Avoid smoking and limit caffeine and alcohol, as they can dry out your vocal cords. Regular warm-ups. Always warm up your voice before performances or rehearsals. Working with a voice coach. Skill enhancement. With expert guidance, you can refine your vocal skills, from improving diction to mastering accents. Confidence boost. Knowing you have a strong, versatile voice can significantly boost your confidence during performances. Personalized guidance. A voice coach provides tailored exercises and feedback, addressing your specific needs and challenges. In conclusion, investing time and effort into voice and diction training can transform your acting abilities. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your skills, these exercises and tips can help you achieve a powerful and captivating vocal presence. Remember, your voice is your instrument. Nurture it, train it, and let it shine on the silver screen. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it. Hit that subscribe button and bell icon for more updates. Stay tuned for more great content. See you in the next video.